Well, here we are, 6th of June, and this is the Long Meadow field which we mowed on Monday. So it's had 3 days of pretty good sunshine. We're making a kind of a haylage really, so it's permanent grass. Mowed it one day, spread it the next, and then we've just left it, rowed it up yesterday. So these are some 20-foot rows into one, 20 foot worth of grass into one swath for the baler, and that speeds the baler up. And yeah, it's going well. It's making some lovely forage. So the bales are quite small. They're about 3'6" in diameter, 1.5 meters for the metric lovers out there. And the idea of making them that big is that we can push them around up in the sheep sheds. So we've got 2 sheds which we have to roll the bales out basically. So anything that's too big and too heavy obviously creates a problem, which is not ideal. So here we are baling away. Planning to make about 450 of these little bales, and that should keep the sheep fed the next winter quite happily when they're inside.